advice sa mga young entrepreneurs na katulad mo at ni Happy na gusto rin pumasok sa fashion and art business?
Okay, so do what you love. You have to really know what your passion is because it's the way that you can grow as an entrepreneur. And also, you have to take advantage of opportunities because if you don't move, kung nakaupo ka lang, tapos naghihintay ka na grasya pumunta sa'yo, it's not going to happen. You have to move. Little by little, step by step. Dati kasi, nung bata din naman ako, I had my starting points din. Hindi ko naman talaga alam what I was really supposed to do. Pero by just moving, dun malalaman talaga kung anong path. Kasi hindi mo naman talaga malalaman right away what's your passion. You discover it. It's a journey. The more you do things in life, the more you see kung ano yung nararapat sa'yo. So don't give up. You'll find your path. You'll know what you're good at. At saka, Go Negosyo, di ba? Go Negosyo is about yung mga successful entrepreneurs. So, magbasa kayo, makinig kayo sa mga successful entrepreneurs, tapos learn from their mistakes, learn from their successes. So, you have to be flexible and open your mind, talk to people, be more observant, and go with your gut feel, and love what you're doing.
Yan, naku, maraming salamat, Diva. Talagang kumota sila sa payo mula sa iyo, no? Nasa ating mga young entrepreneurs at magbabalik pa rin po ang Go Negosyo. Kaya mo.